Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Parenting and Preschool Picasso. So today we are going to do some of the maths activities. So let's get started. So first of all what we will do match the same numbers. Here I have taken the numbers inside the flowers so that children could fascinate it. So what I'll do here, I'll match 3 to 3. I have taken plastic sheets here so that I can give my child to reuse these sheets. I can match 4 to 4, then 9 to 9, 2 to 2 and 8 to 8. Now let's go to our second activity, which is find and circle the numbers. I have taken balloon shape here and I have written corresponding numbers which children needs to circle in the balloons. Like here I have given 2. So children needs to circle the number blue, 2. Now 3. So 3. Children needs to circle 3. Similarly 7 and 5. In my other activity I have taken color the clouds with numbers even. So here even number is 16. So children will circle 16. Similarly here 6, 10. In this way children can know the knowledge of even and odd numbers. I have taken here even, you can also give them odd. In the case of odd they can circle 5, 1, 3. So like this you can flip the activities according to the needs of your child. Now here I have taken count the flowers with even numbers. So here number of flowers with even numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the correct answer of this is 5. There are 5 flowers with even numbers. Now to boost your children's brain there is one more exercise, which is circle greater number in each pair, so that your child can know greater and smaller number as well. So in 3 and 7, 7 is greater. In 9 and 6, 9 is greater. 15 and 8, 15 is greater. Similarly, he can circle all the numbers. Next in the line comes our another activity, which is count and match with numbers. Since my child is still struggling with writing like dots, joining the dots, so I have given him numbers in form of dots so that first he could write the numbers with the help of dots, and then he could count the number of items I have given here and match with the corresponding numbers. So like I have given here flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here are 9 flowers. So your child can match 9 flowers to 9 numbers. Similarly there are 11 lollipops. So your child can match it with 11. Similarly 16 stars and 8 carrots. Now in our next activity there are match the numbers as I have shown in the first activity here, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and following another numbers. Now here I have given join ABCs. Join ABCs and we will get the following figure, like A to B, B to C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G and G, H. So it's like a sine wave form. Now in my next exercise I have given the match the upper and lower case. Due to this your child can know upper and lower case letters, and since lower case letters are a bit confusing, like B, D, Q, P, these are like some of the confusing lower case letters, so your child can even know them. Like your child can match A to A, then B to B, D to D. Your child will get little bit confused if he is new to lower case letters. Afterwards he will learn them. Similarly, I have given some other activity like find lowercase b. So your child can detect lowercase b in this, like this, 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 and they can circle them. In my next activity, I have given color the full glasses. Here I have given some empty glasses, some of the full glasses. So your child can color the full glasses like this. Or if you want to give them any color, they can do it with color as well. In my next exercise, I have given copy me. I have taken a shape, a rectangle, a flag, a shape of a dome type, and your child can color similarly like blue color here and orange and red. Now here I have given color the right half. You can give them color the left half. So here, like I have for an example given color the right half with the orange color. Similarly, you can give them any color, red, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, any color you want. Like this, your color can know the colors, your child can know the color as well, and the right half as well. Now in my next exercise, I have taken the match each number to its name. So like I have taken in the middle row 1, 2, 3, 4 name I have taken, and numbers I have taken in the corner rows, corner columns. So like 2, say 2, then 7 to 7. Like this, your child can match every number here. Now I have taken what comes before and after. So like before 1 comes 0, after comes 2. So here you can tell them ki after 4 comes 5, before comes 3. Similarly, all the numbers you can give them. Now for the next exercise, I have taken an activity in which I have taken the caps of my medicine bottles, and I want to show you the caps are like this of the medicine bottles. So this is the cap, and I have pasted the cutout of a sheet and wrote a number on it. So likewise, I have prepared all the numbers till 20. So here what I have taken a caterpillar and I have given some missing numbers. So my child needs to look over to the missing number. Like he can fill up with 2, now with 5. I have made it till 10. So your child can also do the same activity, 10, and similarly 8 and 6. Similarly, you can make till 11 till 20, and many more exercises and activities I'll give you in future with the same concept. Now since my child doesn't know 11 to 20 orally, he knows, but in writing he doesn't. So I have prepared this numbers till 11 to 20 as well, and I'll keep them and I will jumble them, give it to my child, and he will detect and keep it on the same number. So if you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.